Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today I am here with the another module, that is module 4, organizing files and debugging, for the subject Introduction to Python Programming. So let us deal with the important questions on this module. And the first one is, explain the following file operations in Python with suitable example. That is, copying files and folders, moving files and folders, and permanently deleting files and folders. And also list out the difference between shelf_utility.copy function and shelf_utility.copy tree function method with suitable example. And you can expect this question. Why? Because this is very important question from the fourth module, and you can see the weightage for this question, that is, they have been awarded 12 marks. And the next is, list out the benefits of compressing file with zip file module, and also explain the concept of walking a directory tree. And the third question is, what is meant by compressing file? Explain reading, extracting, and creating zip file with code snippet. And the fourth question is, write a note on raising exceptions in Python with an example. And that is, you need to write the example with a suitable Python coding. And the next one is, what are assertions? Write the contents of an assert statement and explain them with an example. This is also an important question. And the sixth question is, describe logging levels used in Python to categorize log messages by importance. That is for 10 marks. And the seventh question is, explain 5 buttons available in the debug control window. And the next one is, explain the logging module and debug the factorial of a number program. And list out the benefits of using logging module with an example. And the last question is, explain logging module with an example, how files and folder can be permanently deleted. So here I have written the questions according to your syllabus. Okay, so please go through all these questions. I have made the questions as per your syllabus copy, that is one after the another. So please go through all these questions and share the videos to your friends as much as possible. And thank you for watching, and thank you.